whispers echo through, remind me of the truth. I'm sitting on the brink, afraid to peak. I'm drowning in the dark, I'm afraid to think. I'm brave, not void of pain. A pain, no light, no spark. A light, no spark. A pain, no light, no spark. The waste made from this cage. I'm burning with this rage. I'm crying to the night. I've lost this fight. I'm breaking down. I'm screaming loud. This agony, it drags me down. One step away from the edge. A final breath, my silent pledge. These skylights, I disappear. No more pain, no more fear. In the end I found release. In the darkness I find peace. I find peace. It's cause, it's all I tell. I'm right upon a bell. A war inside my head, a path that I have tread. The whispers echo through, remind me of the truth. It's hard, I stand alone. Of lights I fought and found. A war inside my head, a path that I have tread. In this hell I stand alone. A soul that's overthrown. I rage when no one's there. I'm caught in my despair. Release me from this cage. I'm burning with this rage. I'm crying to the night. I've lost this fight. In this hell I stand alone. A soul that's overthrown. I reach but no one's there. I'm caught in my despair. Release me from this cage. I'm burning with this rage. I'm crying to the night. I've lost this fight.